Good morning, good evening, wherever you're watching me from. Here's some Jason YK. Last week I didn't drop a weekly outlook for you guys. The reason is because I stated it on my Telegram. The main reason why I didn't do it because the market we are expecting what happened last week to continue to play out. If you're not my free Telegram channel, you're missing a lot. So the link is gonna be down below. It's free of charge to join my Telegram channel. Just click on it and join it for free. Join the Telegram for free. It's free to join. And then if you observe what happened that last week, about 2 weeks ago, I told you guys that this area is very important. This is where we're going to decide the next move of the market. And then what happened? The market got here. There was a little retracement. And last week, there was a gap up to this point. This is 4 hours, mind you. There was a gap up here, and the market moved up. And remember what I said 2 weeks ago, if the market should break here, wait for retracement and we ride it up. Or if the market could not break here, wait for pullback, retrace, and we take it down. So last week we had a break here, a gap here, and the market moved up for about how many pips? For about 800 pips, 800 pips. And according to what I said here, there was a retracement, which was this. The retracement ended here on Thursday. And on Friday, the market had a push. It had a push here, which means presently we have what? We have a break above here. We have a break here. This is a break. And on that Friday, towards the end of the market, when the market was about closing, let me switch to 1 hour. When the market was about closing, at the last hour, the market had a retracement here. So there was a break and retracement here. This was an idea of what happened last week, just to give you guys a clear and a rough idea of what happened last week. So right about now, I'll be analyzing what you guys should be expecting from the market for this particular week. Should we continue with this chart or we should try to use another? Let me check this. Okay, let's use a clear chart while we are watching on that as well. So I'm going to be starting with today's 18th. It's just half of the month. So let's just see what the monthly is saying. It's just half of the month. Let's see what the monthly is saying. Yeah. So on the monthly, you can see clearly that this month the market has been bullish. The market has just been bullish this month. So meaning if you're very conversant with the news and you're watching what's going on between US and China, you will see that you will observe and agree with me that presently the tariff war between China and then US has been paused for the period of 90 days. So it will be paused for 90 days, which has started already. That was why you see the bulls coming in seriously towards the end of April up to now. That's why you see that the bulls are coming in. So if all right, so I'll be introducing stocks for those that want to invest in stocks. So I'll be introducing that on my channel as well. So the stock you guys can buy and keep it for a period of time, and then you can resell, maybe be it US stock market or Nigerian stock market. I'm gonna be introducing that pretty soon on my channel. Maybe in the course of this week, I'm gonna be introducing that. And maybe I'm gonna be giving businesses ideas of maybe people that have small scales, maybe you're in Nigeria or anywhere, and small businesses that you can start with as low as 500K to 1 million naira, that can be beneficiary to you guys. I'm gonna be uh putting that into my channel. So just for everybody to have financial freedom. Yeah. All right. So as I was saying, so what we're gonna be doing now is uh now that we have an idea of what's going on around the world, that yes, the war between the China and the US, it's on pause presently. So we have a rough idea that the market is expected to continue the up movement, which is the bullish are supposed to be coming in. So we have a very nice and clear trend line here. which we have a clear trend line, which is nice here. Let's make it 3. And we have a first touch, second touch, third touch, fourth touch here, which the market got to and reacted to it massively. So there was a retracement on that. So we have it here. I'm going to make this video very fast because I need to drop the video today before the market will open. So we have a key level here. We have the highest key level here presently. Yeah, I'm done with my monthly. Let's take it down to the weekly, Let's take it down to the weekly. Yeah, for those that are still struggling with consistency on the market, I'm going to drop a video for you guys this week. What you need to do, what you need to do. I'm going to drop a video for you guys this week. What you need to do. Those that are still struggling with consistency, I'll drop it for you guys this week. So now that we have this is our weekly. Let's just mark out the key levels as well. We have this. Yeah. So now we have this. There was a break here, retracement, and presently the market is here. The market is here. Now moving forward to the daily, just to make it snappy, not to waste too much time on this. Yeah, on our daily, we can see critically that the bullish actually started from here, from April 22nd. The bull started from April 22nd, which was here. And this key level got broken. So presently, I can see a minor key level here, which is where the market is right now. I can see a minor key level here, which is where the market is right now. And I'm seeing another one. This is daily. I'm seeing another one around this area. I'm expecting the market to react positively once it gets to those key levels. Now that we have this idea on the market, if we put a bearish trend line here, it's not necessary again because the market has broken out of it. There was a break here, and the retracement has occurred already. So let's take it out. So now, let's just take it down to the 4 hours, and that's where we're going to be ending it. Yeah, so presently, where the market is now, the market is actually reacting to key levels. So let's see if we can have a nice trend line around here. Yeah, I have a nice trend line here, which I'm going to be reducing to 1. We have our first touch on the trend line here. The first touch is there. The second touch is here. There were some touches here before. We have 1, 2, 3, and the market broke here and went up. So we're going to be adjusting it down here to make it relevant. So we have first, second, and I'm expecting another touch. So definitely I'm expecting some pullback from the market. Maybe to this particular area. This is what I'll just be expecting from the market. So I'll be expecting the market to give us something like a pullback, a little more pullback that will make it touch on this. So meaning if the market should open tonight, today is Sunday, this pullback can actually drop a little bit further to this point. Then we'll have a push to break this place. We have it like this. We have a push up here. And then if the momentum should come in, yeah, that is it. The momentum should come in. I'm expecting it like this. Yeah, this little can also go back up like this, and here. So I'm expecting the market to get up to that point. I'm not expecting a sell, just a little drop. Just like I said, that's what I'll be expecting from the market. Okay. They're going to be breakout from here. Let's check out the news that we're going to be having for this week. If there will be some momentum that we should be expecting from the market. The whole of this week, the whole of this week. Let's check it from 19th to 23rd. Let's apply and see. Let's apply it and see. Wow. So on Monday there is no news. On Tuesday there's some news. On Wednesday, Thursday. Okay. So I'm expecting some momentum this week, so we can actually have the market move up from here all the way to this point, meaning 2000, like 2,600 pips, but this is it's gonna break out from here, definitely, which is about 300 pips. This one can even happen on Monday. On Tuesday, or Tuesday to Wednesday, we're expecting this 1,000 pips. This 1,000 pips, this is going to be like our TP1. This area is going to be like our TP1. Let me just put it there, TP1. So for those that are watching videos and taking advantage, I celebrate you guys. For those of you that are watching and you're making money with it, and you're taking advantage, celebrate you guys. And congratulations to you. But you guys don't drop comment. It's up to you. You have your reasons anyways. So I don't think that's actually nice. So I'm expecting our TP1 to be around this area, which is about 700 pips, and TP2 should be taking us to over 2,000 pips. So that's what I'll be expecting from the market this week. So yeah, I'm gonna be live with everybody. Oh, not everybody, sorry. I'm going to be live on Tuesday with my mentees and those that subscribe for signals and then the monthly mentorship and 3-month mentorship. I'll be live with you guys again this Tuesday. So do well to join us live then. For those of you that are willing to join, just click on the link on my Telegram. Go over to my Telegram. You're going to see all the instructions there. Before you do anything, please don't make me payment to anybody's account. I don't manage people's account. I don't double money. If anybody's asking you, send this to my account, you're going to do this, I don't do it. I don't do investment. I don't manage people's accounts. So please, that's not me. And before you join any of my program, make sure you hear my voice before you take action to join any of my program. Make sure you hear my voice. I'm going to give you instruction on what to do. Is that clear? All right. So this way, I'm going to be wrapping it up for today. So till I come your way again, this is Omojesu YK signing out. Peace out and bye for now. Yeah.